मजा नहीं आ रहा है।
Hello guys! Many creators use this effect on his video, in YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. You can also use this effect on your video. Open CapCut application.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है।
Add your video and then adjust it. Go in Graph and set all colors at 155 and 0. Watch full video, don't miss any part. Okay, thank you. After adjusting all colors at 155 and 0, then select OK. After this, add normal blur effect. Then export your video. Then make new project. Add main video as main layer. Then add exported video as lower layer or overlay layer. Set both clip at same position. Then click on Splice. And use any dark effect. Burn is better. Your choice. Then lower the opacity. After doing all of this, add white background. From stock video in CapCut, everything is free. Scale it. Then click on Splice and use any light effect. Overlay is better. Now everything is done. You can see final result. Okay, thank you.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है।
Magar Q, Modi G. Please subscribe my channel.
Okay.
God bless you.